What smart businesses do to succeed with YouTube Shorts. Users may now produce and share short videos on the video sharing website thanks to a relatively new feature called YouTube Shorts. Millions of users create and share films on it every day since its inception in late 2020. And it has become incredibly popular. Joining the trend, numerous companies have started using YouTube Shorts to market their goods and services. In fact, some have prospered by doing so. In this post, we'll examine in more detail a few of the companies that have used YouTube Shorts to build their brands and boost sales. We'll look at the methods these companies have utilized, the outcomes they have obtained, and how they have used the platform. This post will provide insightful information on the potential of YouTube Shorts for marketers and small business owners alike. The rise of YouTube Shorts. A new tool on YouTube that lets users make and share short videos is called YouTube Shorts. When it was first introduced in September 2020, it immediately became well-known and a potent tool. For companies looking to expand their customer base and advertise goods and services. Over 6.5 billion views of shorts are received on YouTube every day, and the amount is increasing quickly. This is partly because users can easily find and watch shorts because they are prominently promoted on the homepage of the YouTube app. The pandemic has compelled many firms to move their marketing methods online, which has contributed to the rise of YouTube Shorts. Given that consumers are spending more time on their phones and at home, Shorts provide an easy and interesting approach to grab their attention. With the help of Shorts, numerous companies have already found success showcasing their goods, sharing behind-the-scenes photos, and even making short advertisements. For instance, a restaurant may use Shorts to showcase its most well-liked dishes, while a clothing store might use them to showcase their most recent collection. In summary, YouTube Shorts have grown in popularity as a tool for companies looking to expand their customer base and advertise their goods and services. It's a trend that will continue due to its enduring appeal and user-friendly interface. Success. Key strategies used by successful businesses. Businesses who are successful on YouTube Shorts share a number of important tactics. These techniques assist them in producing interesting material, gaining followers, and eventually increasing revenue. These are a few of the best tactics employed by prosperous companies on YouTube Shorts. Engaging content creation. Developing interesting material is one of the key tactics for success on YouTube Shorts. Content produced by prosperous companies is both aesthetically pleasing and educational. To keep their audience interested, they employ a range of strategies, including humor, storytelling, and animation. Consistent posting schedule. Having a regular publishing schedule is another essential tactic for success on YouTube Shorts. Prosperous companies typically release fresh material every day or every week. This keeps their audience interested and helps them gain a following. Effective use of hashtags. Using hashtags on YouTube Shorts is crucial for brands. Use hashtags to help new viewers find your content if you run a successful business. They find the most trending and pertinent hashtags for their industry and incorporate them into their films in a deliberate manner. Collaboration with influencers. Another successful approach for brands on YouTube Shorts is to work with influencers. Influencers with a sizable fan base in their industry are partnered with prosperous companies. They are able to reach a larger audience and establish credibility with their target market as a result. To sum up, businesses who are successful on YouTube Shorts employ a combination of creating interesting content, maintaining regular posting schedules, utilizing hashtags wisely, and working with influencers to expand their audience and increase sales. These tactics can help companies succeed in their area and establish a strong online presence on YouTube Shorts. Impact of YouTube Shorts on business growth. A popular tool for companies looking to quickly connect with their target audience is YouTube Shorts. The short-form videos available on the site have assisted companies in building their brands, boosting revenue, and improving client engagement. Increased brand awareness. With YouTube Shorts, businesses have been able to raise brand exposure. Businesses can reach a larger audience by using the platform's algorithm, which offers videos to viewers based on their interests. Businesses can also utilize keywords and hashtags to optimize their videos for search, which will raise their search engine ranking. Boosted sales. Businesses have also seen an increase in revenue because to YouTube Shorts. Businesses can attract potential customers to make a purchase by exhibiting their products or services in brief, captivating videos. To facilitate customer purchases, businesses can also add links to their website or product pages in the video description. Vi. Expanded customer base. Through reaching out to new audiences, YouTube Shorts has assisted businesses in growing their consumer base. Businesses can reach out to new clients who might be interested in their products or services. Because the platform's algorithm pushes videos to viewers who might not have seen them otherwise. Enhanced customer engagement. Finally, YouTube Shorts has improved businesses' ability to engage with their customers. Businesses can provide a more individualized experience for their clients by producing brief, interesting movies that highlight their goods or services. Businesses can converse with customers and respond to any queries they may have by using the comment section. In general, YouTube Shorts have developed into a valuable resource for companies seeking to expand their clientele, boost revenue, and personalize their interactions with them. Businesses may reach new audiences and grow their consumer base by producing brief, interesting films. Conclusion. In conclusion, YouTube Shorts has shown to be a useful resource for companies trying to reach a wider audience and establish a stronger online presence. Through the utilization of short-form video material, companies can present their goods and services, increase brand recognition, and increase website traffic. We have witnessed firsthand how YouTube Shorts has helped companies of all shapes and sizes succeed through the success stories featured in this article. These companies have used the platform creatively to interact with their audience and expand their businesses, specializing in food and beverage as well as fashion and beauty. It's crucial to remember that, despite its potential for effectiveness, YouTube Shorts are not a universally applicable solution. It is up to each company to decide whether or not the platform fits with their target market and marketing objectives. Moreover, a calculated approach, regular content production, and a readiness to try new things and adjust are necessary for success on YouTube Shorts. All things considered, YouTube Shorts offer companies a special chance to expand their customer base and spur development through keeping abreast of the most recent trends and optimal methodologies. Enterprises can effectively use the platform to accomplish their marketing objectives and prosper in the current digital terrain. Unlock your potential with our comprehensive course designed to empower you for exploring the world of YouTube Shorts for businesses by clicking the link given in description.